Hi everyone, welcome to our beginner's guide to makeup. Whether you're a complete novice or just need a refresher, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through some simple steps to help you master the basics of makeup. We'll be breaking down each element from prepping your skin to that final touch of setting spray. So grab your brushes, your palettes, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Before we even think about diving into makeup, we have to start with a clean canvas. Cleanse your face with your favorite cleanser, removing any dirt or oil. Now let's talk about the magic of primer. This little miracle worker creates a smooth and even surface for your makeup, helping it last longer and look flawless. Apply a small amount all over your face, focusing on areas where your pores tend to be more visible. Finding your perfect foundation shade is like finding your soulmate. It makes all the difference. Test foundation shades on your jawline in natural light to find the closest match to your skin tone. Once you've found your match made in makeup heaven, apply your foundation with a brush or sponge, starting from the center of your face and blending outwards. We all have those little things we want to conceal, whether it's dark circles, blemishes, or redness. Choose a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation for brightening under the eyes and covering dark spots. Apply it in a triangular shape under your eyes to instantly brighten up your face. For blemishes, use a small amount of concealer and gently tap it onto the area with a brush or your fingertip. We've done the work, now let's make it last. Setting powder is a must-have for keeping your makeup in place all day long. Use a large, fluffy brush to dust a light layer of powder all over your face, focusing on the T-zone. This is where we tend to get oily throughout the day. Eyebrows are the frames of your face, and well-defined brows can totally transform your look. If you have sparse areas, use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill them in with light, hair-like strokes. Use a spoolie brush to comb through your brows and blend out any harsh lines. Don't be intimidated by eyeshadow, my loves. We're starting with the basics. Choose a neutral palette with shades that complement your eye color. Start by applying a light shimmery shade all over your eyelid as a base. Then use a medium shade in the crease to add depth and definition. Blend, blend, blend. We don't want any harsh lines. Experiment with different shades and finishes to create different looks. Eyeliner can be a game changer, adding instant definition and drama to your eyes. Whether you prefer a subtle line or a bold wing, there's an eyeliner style for everyone. Start by tightlining your upper lash line, which means applying eyeliner right at the base of your lashes to make them appear fuller. If you're feeling adventurous, try creating a small wing at the outer corner of your eye. Remember, practice makes perfect. Mascara is like an instant eye-opener. It adds volume, length, and definition to your lashes. Place the wand at the base of your lashes and wiggle it back and forth as you coat your lashes from root to tip. Apply 1 or 2 coats for a natural look, or go all out with multiple coats for a more dramatic effect. Blush is like a magic trick that brings life and dimension to your face. Smile in the mirror and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Pinks and peaches for fair skin, corals and mauves for medium skin, and berries and bronzes for deeper skin tones. Let's get luminous. Highlighter is like sunshine in a bottle. It adds a radiant glow to your complexion. Apply it to the high points of your face where the light naturally hits, such as your cheekbones, brow bones, down the bridge of your nose, and on your Cupid's bow. Use a light hand and blend well for a natural lit-from-within glow. Now for the cherry on top. Choose a lipstick or lip gloss that complements your look nude for a natural vibe, bold for a statement, or a touch of gloss for a subtle shine. If you're using lipstick, apply it carefully, starting from the center of your lips and blending outwards. For a more defined look, use a lip liner to outline your lips before applying lipstick. You've put in the work, now let's lock it in. Setting spray is a must-have for keeping your makeup looking fresh and flawless all day and all night. Hold the bottle a few inches away from your face and mist it evenly over your skin. Congratulations, makeup masters in the making. You've officially learned the basics of makeup. Play with different colors, products, and techniques. Have fun with it. The most important thing is to feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Keep shining, beauties!